Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and this is search button. You can see this is search. First you can see this is enter your model number and then hit enter. Then find out the model number. This one, no, H410M H. So if it is not getting, you just copy and then go to new tab and you have to enter in the Google search box. After you can see this is directly come, click on this first URL which is gigabyte.com and motherboard and like this. So you can this is your motherboard, then click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11, both installations process same. You can see this video of the Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, so you can same video install. So first audio, so guys first we have to download and after that one by one install it. Okay, so first this audio driver as the audio driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading, you can see here. Okay, then chipset. So chipset guys, first this is required the serial driver, this is for the chipset driver, and one more require Intel, this one. Okay, and click to download, slow down, and then LAN. So LAN, Realtek LAN driver. Okay, and click to download VGA driver. So try to always latest and click to download. This is guys download icon, you have to click that. After that you can see start downloading. Okay, so it is downloading in the download folder. If you have to change and if you not find downloading, so you just click on this icon, so automatically you come this folder which is downloaded those driver. Okay, so let's first complete all, after that I show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Nothing. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.